correct. All right, we got it.
University distinguished Professor Roger Miesfeld is all in.
My wife always tells me, she says it's like you're trying to live 1.5 lives. Like you're not quite 2 lives, you're like 1.5.
Miesfeld was pursuing fisheries biology at San Diego State in the 70s when he took a class in ecology and then biochemistry.
And so I just kept going more and more molecular, and I think I was sort of had engineering in my head, and I come from a medical family. My father was a physician, grandfather was a physician. So I think I kept thinking about mechanism, like how does it work?
His research group studies eukaryotic cell signaling with a specific focus on metabolic regulation in blood-feeding dengue fever mosquitoes.
So we in fact found 3 or 4 genes that are part of the layering of the eggshell. And so we've knocked out those genes using genetic techniques. And if we knock out a gene we called eggshell organizing factor, which we discovered, it's only in mosquitoes, not in honeybees, not going to affect pollination, and her egg doesn't complete its maturation. Any other questions? Yes?
His 5-year tenure as department head coming to an end, Miesfeld is looking forward to getting back to being a scholar and spending more time with his students.
Roger also developed a book for his biochemistry class, and that's the one he uses in his class, but it's been very well received. And it's also what he's using for his online class. So it's very symbiotic of how he's using the different modalities of how he teaches, as well as the fact that he's got a very well-received book that allows him to really be pretty much an innovator in how biochemistry is taught.
My son just got his driver's license, our youngest child. And I go, you know what, Barrett, you can take the car, drop me off at work. I'm gonna start going every weekend. I'm just gonna go into the office Saturday and Sunday. That was 2007. I did it for 10 straight years. And that's how I got it done.
We're really engaging with the material better, discussing it with the preceptors and the peers who are taking the class with you, and forming groups that allow you to bounce ideas off of each other. So I think that is a very helpful style of learning that he is very well versed at.
So about 3-4 years ago, our oldest daughter, she goes, Dad, you're a biochemist. This whole microbrew thing is coming along. Everyone's making beer and wine. You should do it. A couple weekends ago, we did a home brew. I set up a hard cider fermentation last weekend. We have a home brew contest coming up. So now my hobby is making hard ciders and pale ales and all kinds of fun stuff. Got the letter from the provost. I was like, wow. I'm surprised that it actually sort of all came around. I think it's, for me, University Distinguished Professor and the colleagues that I have, to me it says that I did everything and I care about students. So to me it's a student appreciation given by the provost. That's kind of the way I think about it.